Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, find system type. If system type is 32-bit, then that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, then that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. After that, we are going to download our drivers. That is very easy. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Here type download HP LaserJet P1005 driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open this link, open first link, and here we find our HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver. Click on reject all or accept all. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system. Here we find our operating system is detect right. If operating system is not detect Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 10 32-bit, then go to here, choose a different OS, select the Windows and go to here and select Windows 10 64-bit if your operating system is 64-bit, Windows 10 32-bit if your operating system is 32-bit. My operating system is 64-bit, so I go to the 64 and click on the update. It's refresh your page and it show drivers. In this driver, find basic driver. Find basic driver. Basically, this is in driver product installation software. Expand this. Here we find basic drivers. Expand this. Click on this, and here we find our printer. This is a series printer, HP LaserJet, then printer names, and this is the basic driver. Click on this download, and our page is redirect, and download is done in a few seconds. Not a very big file. Click at here, downloads. Click on the show in a folder. Minimize it. Drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here is our setup file, printer setup file. This setup file actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it and go to the extract files. Click on extract files. Click on the OK. It's extract your files and create a new folder on desktop. Double click on that folder. Here is our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers manually. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds, and new option is pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few minutes, few seconds. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. Here we find many option. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. Port is the most IMP part. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer device or any HP printer device, HP printer, HP, then select that port. If you not find anything like that, then go to the USB. USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select any USB that you find. Select your USB. Click on the next. Click on the hard disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Select your newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find one single file. Select that file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many printers. Select our printer HP LaserJet P1005. Select that printer. Click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name. I give it the same printer name. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it takes few seconds, so wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option, and if you don't want to share this, then click on do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In printers and scanner, if you find HP LaserJet P1005, that means your printer is properly installed and properly work in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.